Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. e.l.f. launched a CC Camo cream. I am here to do a full-on, full-day, long wear test. First of all, I thought CC and BB creams was left back in like the early 2000s or like mid 2000s. Whatever time period that they was like super popular and they didn't have not near one to shade for chocolate drops. If you went past the tan, you wasn't getting no BB or a CC cream. Since Eyes, Lips, and Face decided to grace us with a CC cream, it comes in 20 shades. I decided, why the heck not? You and I finna go on this journey and we finna see if this $14 is worth it, okay, honey? I picked up the shade Deep 540 in. Now, before I slather this on, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and this is in their Luminous Putty Primer. So I'm just gonna take just a little bit here on my fingertips, pat that in, especially right around in the areas that I really want to give off a nice luminous finish. I like that this primer is kind of pore filling as well. It does give a nice shield over these pesky little pores. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a pump or two just to see how it would look with a light moisturizer finish. What? Aren't they having fun in there? My daughter and my husband are having a ball. So if y'all hear background noise, it's literally them just kicking it. I got a baby. I ain't got time to be trying to get her to be quiet because you know what? She gonna live her best life. So we gonna live our best life and we just gonna have to hear that in the background, okay? I'm gonna start off with one full pump. I'm gonna take my brush and just start going to town. Since it's a color corrector, obviously I'm not going to color correct underneath. I'm going to let this CC cream do what it's supposed to do. Do your job, okay? I've hired you to do your job, so I need you to do your job, girl. And I believe, looking in this mirror over here, it looks like she might be doing her job. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Girl, when you late to the party. But the party still waited on you, okay? Because y'all know this came out a minute ago. But I still needed to hop on this party bus and see what homegirl was talking about in Eyes, Lips, and Face, okay? This is beautiful. Oh my God. I only did one side of my face and there is blemishes virtually no more, okay? Do y'all see this? Okay, so I was late to the party train, but that's okay. We on this train. So let me go ahead and do another pump. This is my second pump. I'm gonna go ahead and get on finishing out this face, honey. Okay, guys, so this is what my face looks like with just two full pumps. So to me, this would be my moisturizer look finish. And honey, girl, you hear me, girl, you know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to you, girl. You watching this video. Blemishes where? Girl, you can't tell me I got blemishes. I woke up literally looking like this, okay? This isn't even a full coverage face. Actually, for me, girl, this is my full coverage, okay? Full coverage for me is dang near this. This is like my medium to full coverage. I'll probably do one more pump, okay? Let's just do one more pump just for funsies, okay? It doesn't feel heavy, and I feel like when I go to powder my face down a little bit to kind of bring a little bit of this shine down, but this shine is not right now. It just looks like I just got done doing a full-blown facial. If you've had a facial, first of all, if you've never had a facial, go get one, girl, because you deserve it, okay? But if you've ever had a facial, your esthetician gets done with your facial, and honey, you just feel like you look like a glazed donut. That's what this is giving me. Okay, this is giving me beautiful, fresh face. I just got a facial glazed donuttery. And I am loving it. Like I said, I need to powder it down a little bit, but girl, my face is cute. I have not put any powder on yet. I haven't finished out my face. I'm getting ready to do that in the next slide here. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my concealer and just conceal a little bit underneath my eyes and just hit those spots that I want the lights to touch my face and kiss it, girl. Okay, we're going to kiss it, okay? And the concealer that I am using is the e.l.f.'s Hydrating Camo Concealer and the Satin Finish. I'm going to go ahead and set underneath. And since e.l.f. is on the more affordable side, I decided to use all affordable products in this video. The powder that I'm going to use, I'm actually going to use this for the first time. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Setting Powder. If you have some of your favorite affordable powder finishes that you just rave about, list them for me and I will check them out. And we will check them out throughout the year, and especially when I'm doing my more affordable videos. Just a little bit of this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish and banana powder, and just pat ever so slightly underneath my eyes. And with the brows, I'm taking my NYX brow pencil in the shade, it's the micro brow pencil, and it's in the shade Ash Brown. And I'm just gonna do a little brow grooming here so I can bring it all together smoothly. Y'all know me. Personally, I don't need a full sharp brow. I just need to fill in the sparse hairs and create my desired shape. And the last thing that I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Dark to Deep. And just an FYI, guys, you do not need a lot of this at all. Alright guys, so this is my finished face. It is currently just 5 minutes after 12:30 in the afternoon, and we are going to do a full-blown, full-day wear test, and I am excited, honey, to see how this wears throughout the day. Alright, so I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. You know how these things work. Bye. Okay, so it is a little bit past 12:45 in the morning, so yeah, I'm going to insert some clips while I talk of me showing you how the makeup looks throughout the day on my Instagram stories. Right now, at almost 1 o'clock in the morning, my face, it just looks like a light to medium coverage now. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and give this CC Camo Cream a big old thumbs up in this thing, okay? I am completely satisfied. I think e.l.f. did a great job. Have you guys tried it? Like I said, it's been out on the market for a while now. It is not super new. It's new to me. That's why I wanted to bring it to you guys, because I really wanted to know what a CC cream was like. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't never got to experience that before. Guys, if you haven't tried it though, you need to go and try it because it's the bomb. I've said the shade 540 in. That is the shade that I am. If you are close to my complexion and you need a reference, I am 540 neutral in the CC Camo Cream. I like the way this shade looks on me. I think it blends into my skin perfectly. It's just gorgeous, and it looked great throughout the day. That's it. That's all I got to say, guys. If you guys have been here and y'all stay here and y'all love me to pieces, don't forget to like, share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because you are going to have some fun on this channel. We're going to laugh. We're going to kick it. I'm going to give you a big hug, okay? Come on home. Right here is where you belong, okay? Just go on and sub to the channel, okay? I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.